In the previous part, I wrote a computer program that uses machine vision in order to play this popular mobile Scrabble game. As you can see, the program chooses letters and tries them on the game. For more details, you can check the last part, link in the description. The TLDR is that the program finds the letters in the middle circle and colors them in green for us to understand. Then it chooses the order in which it's going to type those letters, the blue number near the letter. The program uses what is called brute force technique, meaning it tries all the possible combination of letters until it finishes the board. As you can see, it tries many words until it gets there. I showed the last video to my brother, and he said, "Why not use a dictionary to fill in the words?" Well, I thought of that as well, and for the average person it makes perfect sense. But it is much more complicated to achieve than you might think. The reason is that you might think that because the program colored the letters in green, it understands what the letter means. The actual fact is that for the computer, the green letters are just blobs of pixels with x and y coordinates. It does not know what a letter is. In computer vision, in order to understand text from images, or blob of pixel, as we called them earlier, there is a process called OCR, optical character recognition, which is quite complex. With computer hardware and software advances, there are tools that make this complex process much simpler, and we are going to use them. We want the program to figure out which letter it's going to use, combine them into a word, and check if this word exists in the dictionary. If it does not exist in the dictionary, we want the program to skip this word altogether and try the next word with the same process as before, and so on. Let's see how it looks. Instead of the blue numbers from before, we also added the letters detected. Another thing we added is the word that we are currently trying. As you can see, because we are filtering only words that exist in a dictionary, the amount of words we use before we get a match is much better than before. There are much more things that we could add for the program. First is probably the ability to detect how many letters we need to enter. For example, if there is no need for 3 letters words, let's not write 3-letter combinations. Another optimization is to detect which letters are already existing on the board and use them with a combination of our dictionary in order to filter words that cannot be used. More advanced optimization can be to detect what words are in the game dictionary and what is not. The game lets us know if the word is wrong, right, and right, just not for this board. We then use it to dynamically control our dictionary to match the game dictionary, and by that reduce the wrong words with every try. There are more of that kind of optimization that can be done.